template that I created. So what you'll have is you'll have a 3-step funnel. You'll have a series of automations that are built around generating qualified appointments, instant notifications for the team, and instant notifications for the new lead that just came through. You'll have a lead management pipeline, automations, and custom values for a quick launch. You can go from 0 to launch with this snapshot in 20 minutes. What you're investing in is you are going to get a huge amount of future updates. So I just went through and I created a ton of snapshots based on this template that were pre-ordered, and they're all viable. They are all really essentially minimum viable products. So they can all be launched within 20 minutes to start generating leads in any number of industries within an afternoon. So what you're going to be getting is a full website. You're going to be getting more lead nurturing and campaigns and automations like before and after campaigns, testimonial campaigns, long-term nurture sequences, soap opera sequences, get to know the team, promotional discounts, things like that. You're also going to be investing in the full website, which I mentioned, and more funnels as well, ones that are built specifically for remarketing and retargeting, like the before and after campaigns, how much you're going to save. You'll also get email templates, social media templates, as well as what else is it? I can't think of what else there is, but you're going to be getting a lot. I have a whole lot of stuff on the way. Oh, you're also going to be getting a white labeled membership course for your leads that's going to basically walk through the onboarding process. So it's going to be very hands-off for you. You'll be able to have a client come in, fill out a simple form that will complete all of the custom values, and then follow the videos so they'll be able to manage their sub-account on their own. For right now, it's not there yet. At that point, the price is going to jump up to at least $500, if not $1,000. You're getting access today for $97. So here's a 3-step funnel you're going to be getting. It has the offer claim lead generation page, the appointment scheduling page, where you can book a time for us to assess any necessary repairs or the installation, and the confirmation page with the happy smiling faces of the team, the appointment confirmation information. There are also appointment confirmation reminders that will be going out. You can see everything is organized and labeled appropriately. So even if you have another snapshot already installed, it's not going to get mixed up. You're not going to get confused on what goes to what landing page. You'll know exactly which ones go with this specific snapshot. Appointment confirmation reminders, missed call text back, new lead notifications, both internal for the team and external for the lead, birthday templates, database reactivation, follow-ups for not closing the sale, no-show reactivations, review requests, Google My Business messages. I have holiday campaigns getting added. I have the Millionaire Maker email sequences getting added. It's going to be great. Also, these are the custom values I have for now. There's only 8, super simple. It's built around what I would call like the Groupon campaign. So when people go to Groupon and they're looking for a discount to a local service and they're looking to buy right now, this is what it's built around. So this is this snapshot's built around getting leads that are ready to move forward with service right now, except you're not having to split the commissions with Groupon, which is great. So you're going to name the service, the discount amount, the market area name, right-click, get the link to the logo, put that here, your agency name and email, so the leads are sent to the business owner on your behalf using this name and email, and then the links to the Drywall booking calendar page and the discount funnel link, the lead gen page. So you put these in, and those are in the different automations that we just walked through. Super duper simple, straightforward, but extremely effective at generating leads, notifying. It's very trustworthy, it's reliable, gets the job done. You are going to be getting updated funnels and websites in the future, but for right now, you can go ahead and make yourself and your clients a whole lot of money.